So once again, a very good evening to everyone and welcome to Sunflower class. So today's class we have specially designed for small kids like who are beginners who have just started with the coding things. Okay, so this class is particularly for beginners for the age group 5 to 8 years old. Okay, still if they are elder kids, they can also sit, not a problem with that. All right. Okay. So I'll just start sharing my screen and I'll tell you how to download what we are doing. Okay, just a minute. So we'll be working on the tool we'll be working on the tool Scratch Junior. Okay, so the tool is Scratch Junior. If you want to make a note of it, you just write it down on a paper or anywhere. We are working on the tool Scratch Junior. I'll just spell it out. It is SCRATCH, Scratch. Okay, just write it down or you can take help of your parents. And for junior we will write JR Junior. Okay, junior को हम short में लिखेंगे JR. Okay, first of all I'll tell you how to download it. Okay, so to download it, you open any of the browsers. So this is the instructions that I'm giving is for parents. Please follow this instruction, these instructions that I'm giving, so that you can download the tool where kids would be working or where the kids would be starting with the coding journey. Okay, so we'll open any of the browser. So my browser is opening. All right, is it visible to everyone? Yes, Anjane, is it visible? Is the browser visible? Okay, good. So in the address bar, you just write google.com. Okay, because we are downloading this tool from Google. So you just write down google.com in the address bar. So this is Google. I have opened Google. Now we'll be downloading the Scratch Junior. First of all, you have to download this in your system. Okay, and how do you do that? You just write download Scratch JR. For junior, we'll be using JR. Download Scratch JR and then write for desktop. So we are downloading the desktop version and then press enter. So this is the first link that you have to open. Scratch Junior. Junior के लिए क्या use कर रहे हैं हम? JR. Okay. So download Scratch JR from desktop. When you open it, okay, I have opened it, see, and then you have to scroll it down. Just scroll it down. All right, so these are the two things. This is for Mac and this is for Windows. Since we are using Windows, so we'll click here, download Scratch Junior for Windows. Can you see this blue color button? So you have to click here to download it. Okay, when you click here, see the downloading is started on the top. Okay, so it is getting downloaded, and when it is executed, so this will get downloaded. I already have this in my system, so I'll just open it. Fine. So you have understood how to download it. Now I'll open it in my system. Okay, fine. So I'm opening Scratch. When it has got downloaded, you can search it from the search bar and then you can open Scratch JR. JR means junior. Okay, when I open it, so Scratch Junior I have opened. It is opening. All right, see, this is the tool we'll be working on. Okay, so I have told you how to download it. Fine. So when you have downloaded it, so this will be opened. See, everyone can see it is opened, and then we have to click on this home button. आपको ये home दिख रहा है, छोटा सा home button. Just click on this home button. When you click on this home button, then these options will come. Okay, so we are we'll be working on a new project. Okay, we are working on a new project. We are making something new. So here I will click on this plus sign. Everyone can see the very first sign, plus sign. Plus sign means we are creating one more project. So the rest here, it is showing the project that I have already worked on. Can you see the projects? There are different projects that are showing up. So these are the projects I have already worked on, but I want to make one new project. I want to work on a new project. So I'll click on this plus button. Okay, everyone can see the very first is the plus button. Just click on this plus button. Okay, and then we have come up with this, see this window. Okay, so here, this is the window, the small window where we'll be working on, and these are the codes. नीचे आपको दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे नीचे this line, the lower line is the codes that we are using. Okay, so we will be giving directions to something so that it moves or it do something for us. Okay, so the very first thing we need to understand is that here we can change the background of our project. Fine. So how do we change the background? See, on the top, can you see everyone here? Just a minute. See, on the top here, ये आपको scenery दिख रही है छोटी सी ऊपर top में? Yes, everyone can see this scenery. So just click on this scenery. So you will come up with different backgrounds. Okay, so these are the different backgrounds you can choose from. You can take any background from these. Okay, suppose I select this background. Okay, so I'll click on here and then this is set. Understood? Just a minute. Who is doing that scribbling? Please stop doing it. Fine. So I have choose this background. Once again, I'll tell you how to choose the background. Just click on this scenery on the top. When you click on this scenery, you will come up with these many different backgrounds. You can choose any of these. All right, fine. Suppose I want to take this one. I'll click here and then click on the right button, which is on the top right corner. इसको select करके जो भी आपको background चाहिए वो आप select करेंगे पहले, okay, and then click on the right button, so it is selected. Fine, you have understood? So we have got this background. So the very first thing we have understood is we have created background for our project. Right now this is the actor. आपको ये actor दिख रहा है यहाँ पे बीच में, ये क्या है? हमारे project का actor है. Okay, if you want new actors, अगर आपको ये delete करना है, so just double click on it. आपको ये cross sign दिखेगा and just click on this cross sign, so this will be deleted. So for now I have just set the background. And now I can take new actors also. Actors means things that will move on the screen. Fine. So to take actors, you have to click on this plus sign. Where is the plus sign? On the top left corner. आपको दिख रहा है top left corner में ये plus sign, मैंने plus sign को click किया. Okay. When I have clicked on the plus sign, so I have come up with these many actors. आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो इसमें से. Okay, you can choose any of these. See, so many things are there. There are balls, cars, parachutes, so many things are there. You can choose any of these. Animals are there, these human beings are there, flower, fruits, houses, everything is there. So you can choose any of these. Okay, for now I'll be choosing this car. Okay, everyone can see. So this car I'll choose and I click on the right button, which is on the top right corner. Just click on the right button. So this car we have chosen. Understood? See, this is the car that I have put. I have taken the image. Now I have put this car over the background that I have taken. Understood? Yes. You again want to see how I have chosen these actors. So two things we are doing. One is the background. We are setting up the background. Okay. And then we are taking actors over it. Actors could be anything, like you can take a ball. you can take houses, you can take animals. So when you click on this plus sign, which is on the top left corner, so you will come up with many actors. You can choose any of these. Okay, fine. You can choose any of these. Understood? So many actors are there. You can choose any of these. We have already chosen one car. All right. Two things you have understood. We have taken a background, and on that background, I have put up one car. All right. Now this car seems to be so big, right? It seems to be so big. So if you want, I can shrink it or I can grow it also. So now what I'll do, if I want to make it move on the screen, if I want to make it bounce on the screen, so for whatever I want to do, I have to write code for it. And that is what we are calling as coding. Okay, so coding means when you are making this car move on the screen, or you are making this car small or big, or you are making this car bounce on the screen. So whatever you want to make this car to do, you have to give instructions to the car, right? Without giving instructions, this car would not do anything. So you have to give instructions to the car, right? And that is what we call coding. So when we are giving some instructions to the computer system to perform something for us, to do something for us, so that is what we call coding. अब हम क्या करते हैं, इस कार को हम थोड़ा सा मूव कराते हैं. ठीक है, मूव कैसे कराएंगे? अब देखो, everyone can see on the lower line, आपको ये ब्लू कलर की लाइन दिख रही है, यहाँ पे ये कोडिंग है, इसमें से आप कोई भी कोड ले सकते हो. ओके, if I want to make it move in to the right side, so I will take this one, see this arrow. Okay, if I want to make it move to the left, I will take this arrow. Okay, if I want to make it move up, so I will take this arrow. If I want to make the car move down, I will take this arrow. You have understood? So this is the code. What we are writing? Code. Fine. So I want to make this car move on the screen. I will take this arrow. Okay. And then I want to make this move how many steps? Here it is written only one. I want to make it move 25 times. So when I click here on the right hand side, can you see I have come up with this small number calculator kind of a thing on the right hand side. So I want to make this car move to the right 25 steps. So I'll click 25 here, 25, 25. Can you see that? Okay, so according to this instruction, so I have given instructions to the car to move 25 steps to the right. अब देखो मैं यहाँ पे इसको क्लिक कर रही हूँ, एरो को क्लिक कर रही हूँ, अब ये मूव हो रही है, देखो कार दिख रही है. So it is moving 25 steps and then it has stopped. Understood everyone? Now suppose I want to make the car move up. Okay, so I will take this arrow which is going up, take this arrow, and I want to make this car move again 25 steps to the up. So first it will move to the right and then it will move up. Let's see how it will work. I'll again click on this arrow. See, it is moving to the right 25 steps and then it is going up. Can you see that? So I have given two instructions to the car to first move 25 steps to the right and then move 25 steps to the up. Understood? Everyone has understood this? Yes? Suppose, let's put it back. Just delete it. This is how you delete it back. Okay. Suppose I want to keep the car. We want the car to keep on moving. Okay. Keep on moving on the screen. So how will I do that? There is a loop code also. Here we have a looping code. आपको दिख रहा है ये रेड कलर का बटन? रेड कलर का बटन पे मैंने क्लिक किया तो यहाँ पे ये लूप आ गया. देखो यहाँ पे आपको ये लूप दिख रहा है. दिस इज द लूप. Okay, so loop means it will keep on moving 25 for 25 steps. It will keep on moving and it will not stop. Okay, so after this arrow, I will put this loop. When I put this loop, the car will keep on moving on the screen. You understand loops? Yes. So the car will keep on moving on the screen. Okay, let's see how it will work. I click on this arrow. See, the car will continuously keep on moving because I have put one loop here. Understood? I have put one loop. Loop means you are continuously doing the same thing again and again, again and again, again and again. Understood? So here we are doing coding because we are giving instructions to the computer system to do something for us, right? So that is what we call coding. Coding means you are instructing the computer to do something for you. So here I am instructing this car to move on the screen. Okay, and it is moving according to the instructions that I have given. So these instructions are called coding. You understood what is coding? Yes, everyone. So see, as per the instructions given by me, this car is continuously moving on the screen because I have put one loop here. So in red color, what is there? It is a loop. All right, fine. Understood, everyone? Now we'll just stop it. Okay. See, now we are not understanding how to stop it, right? So again, one thing can be done. There is a green color flag on the top. Can you see, everyone? यहाँ पे आपको एक green color का flag दिख रहा है top पे. Yes. So this time I want that when I click on this flag, then the car should move. When I click on this flag, then the car should move. So I will take this flag. Okay, just a minute. I'll put this back and I will take flag. Just a minute. Flag is here. The very first code, everyone can see the very first code, the yellow one. सबसे lower line में yellow दिख रहा है आपको. यहाँ पे आपको एक flag दिखेगा. So when the flag is clicked, then I want my car to move. Again, to move the car, आपको इस arrow वाला code select करना होगा. Arrow select करेंगे और ये move करेंगे कार को. Move right move करने के लिए we will take this code. Okay. And now I want the car to move continuously. So I will again take this red color button, red color code, and I'll take this loop. Okay. Now, according to this instruction, when the flag is clicked, then the car will move continuously. So now see, when I click on the flag, I'm clicking on the flag, which is on the top line. When I click on the flag, then the car will move. And it will move continuously because I have put one loop here. Have you understood? So what I'm doing, I'm giving instructions to my computer to move the car. So these instructions only we call as coding. Understood, everyone? Yes. Now, if you want the car to shrink, okay, I want to stop it. I will just click on this red button, which is on the top. Now I want the car to shrink. What will I do? I'll just delete it. To shrink this car, can you see this purple color coding button? आपको ये सारे coding button दिख रहे हैं starting में. There is a yellow color button, then there is a blue color button, purple color button, green color button. So I'll click on this purple color button और इसको मैं shrink भी कर सकती हूँ यहाँ से. Okay, this is for growing the car and this is for shrinking the car. All right, so you just take this one and I want the car to shrink. See, sorry, grow. This is how it is growing. If I want the car to shrink, I will take this code and keep on clicking it. The car will shrink. Understood? Fine. See, I'm growing the car and then you can shrink it also. If you want to add some sound to it. So this is a green color button. Green color code दिख रहा है सबको? यहाँ पे green पे click करेंगे और यहाँ पे आप sound भी select कर सकते हो. Now this is recording. Okay, I can record the sound that I want. See, this is recording. Hello, hello, hello. This is getting recorded. Okay, and then I'll click write. See now what happens. And I want this to be played. See, it is getting played. Right? Can you hear that? See, I'm not speaking. Hello, hello, hello. This is getting recorded. All right. So you can even record some sound to it. If you want to give a sound when the car is moving, you can record a sound to it also. Understood? So these are the codes that we are using. You just understand these codes first. The code are first is the yellow one. Then we have the blue code, purple, green, and these are the codes that we are using. All right. Everyone has understood? Yes. So what all we have done, we have made the car move on the screen. Then we have made the car grow or shrink. Okay. And then we have put up a background on our project. Fine. And then we have also inserted sound. We have also understood how to insert loop into it. Loop means when things happen continuously. Okay, so when I put up a loop here, then the car was keep on moving on the screen. Understood, everyone? Yes. So we have done so many concepts today. Thank you so much. I will put everyone on unmute. If you have any problem, you can ask. Just a minute. Tell me, beta. Any problem?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am,